Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to use the randomizer on Whatnot in just a few simple steps. The randomizer is a built-in feature that sellers can use during live shows to fairly and transparently pick winners for giveaways. It's super easy to set up and adds excitement to your stream. When you're live on Whatnot, go to your seller dashboard and look for the giveaway or randomizer option. Once you select it, you'll be asked to set up your prize. This could be a product, a collectible, or even a special discount. After that, the system will allow viewers to enter the giveaway, usually just by being present in your live or following your shop if you make that a requirement. When you're ready to choose a winner, the randomizer automatically selects one from the list of entries. The winner's username will appear right on the screen for everyone to see, keeping the process completely transparent and fair. From there, you simply confirm the winner, and the prize will be linked to them in your account, so you can fulfill it like any regular order. And that's it! Using the randomizer on Whatnot is quick, fair, and a great way to boost engagement in your live shows. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.